Are you launching a new product on Amazon, but you are not sure if it's a hit or miss? 60% of brands on Amazon fail without expert guidance. So let's change it. Hi, my name is Dare, an Amazon brand growth strategist and an advertising manager. I have helped thousands of brands get successful on Amazon. My product development and marketing ideas have helped brands see an exponential growth within a short time span. So, how do I do it? I have years of experience working on brands development on Amazon, which gives me an immense amount of data about what works on Amazon and what does not. With my services, you can gain invaluable insights about your product and category. I'll help you determine if your chosen product is a smart fit for your Amazon venture. We also provide you with a marketing strategy to launch your brand on Amazon, following which you can see exponential growth in a very short time. So don't wait. Reach out today. Let's turn your Amazon dream into a reality.